Alright, so here we go. I'm going to do a fire up and put the tranny in the transmission in gear and spin the wheels on the stands. Won't start in gear. So it tells me that the neutral safety switch is working well. So I have to put it back in park. So we'll reach in here and we'll grab the shifter cable. Back to go in the park. That's how it works. Okay, so she'll start up now. So we got the nose off. I got to get this back on now and fasten it on so that it's done with well nuts and screws, so I can take it off again if I need to. And there's kind of the setup when there's no fender on it. This is a better idea. There's the Honda strut right there, and then I made this part right here. I made that from the old strut from the Subaru, and then I made a perch on it that pivots at the end here so that it has all the travel of the suspension, but it's all got all this control of it. And I'm going to cap this off. This all gets boxed so it'll reinforce this this K-frame, because I did hack some stuff off. So I want to revamp the box and make it solid, so all the stuff that's bolted to it's going to be good. So this will all have to be sandblasted, epoxy primed, and painted, or I might even sandblast it and take it to a powder coater, and then I got to finish putting the roll cage in, like I did on this side here, how it comes up, hooks into itself, and then goes back around inside the seat and up into the headrest here. So that's got to do the same mirror image of this side. That's got to be finished. So I'll make it strong cage, stainless steel pipe. Here's something interesting. Show you how light the car is.